Right guys, it's just took me 5 minutes to sort my phone out because I don't know what I'm doing with it, but look at this. This is a broodstock.
He said anywhere, so.
One of 14 ponds this. Look at the quality of these fish. Wow. I'll just bring you back a bit guys. Because what I'm seeing is amazing. The showers, Yamabuki Ogons, Karashi Goys, Benikamon Iotsoris, Goits Akamatsuba. There is absolutely everything.
Moving on this way.
Yeah, we're moving on now guys. It's absolutely massive this place. Absolutely massive. I could do with going on. Guys, this is amazing, isn't it?
I'm blown away by it. Absolutely blown away by it.
Oh,
I can't get over it. I've never seen koi this big
I know.
in one pond. Not so many koi in one pond. Say it. Crazy.
And there's good quality as well. There's decent quality here as well.
Definitely.
Absolutely amazing sight.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. We'll win that one and may as well leave you on, guys. Are we going on this one, sir? Yeah, I'll go on tractor much.
That's going to go on lawnmower.
Rick, can I go on your lawnmower? Well, I've got dodgy legs.
I don't know if you heard that. There's a 30-year-old Kajaka in this one. This is the older parent stock.
Yeah. Banging filter.
It's probably that big at 2 years old. 28 years later.
That's to keep water going in there. And that's what keeps the colour on it. Amazing. Yeah. 30-year-old koi in there. What was it? Kajaku?
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing, guys. Look at the filtration. And now, I think we're going somewhere even more special. Yes, yes, yes. If I had the money, guys, this is what we'd be doing. This is where we'd be going. I'm lagging a bit behind them, guys, because of my legs. I've asked him to borrow that quad down there, but he won't let me. Uh-oh. Wow. There's absolutely ponds everywhere. We're heading actually into the New Forest now, aren't we, guys?
To be honest, I've been, like I say, I've been coming down here for years, and I've been.
I need to buy some land. That's what I need to do. Wow. Wow, guys. You're just coming on the journey with me. I'm just going to leave you on because this place is absolutely amazing. You are going to see what I'm seeing. Sorry if the film's up and down a bit. I do have to use a walking stick. I can walk, but with a bit of difficulty. But I'm not letting it beat me. I'll not let it beat me, guys. Don't worry about that. I'll never let it beat me. So yeah.
Come on, Brett, keep up.
See, look, they're all running off without me. Should have told me to bring my fucking scooter.
Come on, Brett. You're gobbling along here, look. Come on. Hang on, we're leaving Brett behind.
Are you taking piss out of me, Si?
No, I won't do that.
Come on!
I've got to get back up here, yeah. I'm going on that quad. I'm not bothered what he says. He's got legs.
Si, have you seen the size of this?
I should have brought my rod.
Look at this pond, guys. This is...
Wow. Wow. Absolutely amazing.
That sound never gets boring, does it? No, it doesn't. It's
We've got fish down here. I can't see them. Where are they?
Smaller lakes than this.
Wow.
The thing is, you've not just got that one there,
You've got one behind
you've
us.
got one right behind you and all. I don't know if you can see it because I'm pointing in the opposite direction, but
What do you reckon, Brett?
It's absolutely amazing, Dave.
This is my peg here.
Yeah, I know. You got your rods in, Carl?
Yeah.
Let's go and go, mate.
I ain't got my rods with me.
If I'd have brought the van, I'd have got my rods in the van. Yeah. Get yourself down to New Forest, guys, if you can. You're not be allowed to come where we've come today at Shorley, but the fish are here for sure. You can tell they breed all their own, and I'm just showing you all the brood stock. They're absolutely amazing. You do really need to get yourselves down here, don't you, Si?
You do, yeah.
I'm going to show you one behind me now.
Yeah, don't expect to come out the back. Yeah, this is
Rick's just said don't expect to come out the back.
something special.
This is access all areas. We've been allowed to come where? All around the property. Yeah. As you can see, guys.
saying that all these ponds, single pond on farm in Derbyshire.
Is that what I said, Si?
Well, I said it's a thing. Next week on single pond and yard.
Yeah. No, 4 weeks time, everyone will be harvested, and then 2,000 in that pond. There's 1,000 in this pond.
Where is
And
it?
then another 3,000 that we're going to see down the way.
There's an empty pond there, guys. Fucking.
There's another pond there.
That one's empty.
Yeah.
We hire
Pond
this
there.
one off him.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
We'll cut all that back and we'll hire that.
Yeah, we'll hire that off him. Wow. Fucking hell. It must be impossible to get every fish out here.
Oh yeah, we all beat them.
I know. Got to be, guys. What do you reckon? Leave me a comment of what you think to this place, because it's absolutely amazing. You'll never get a better place to come. Not like this. Not access all areas. It's wow. You are coming on this journey with me. Absolutely empty pond there. Could hire that. That one's still going on round here, look, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I just can't believe it. I'll snap back to you in a minute, guys. Here's another good pond, guys. I've zoomed in a bit for you so you can see what's happening. But they're coming up for the food now. Right, I better go and catch up with the guys and
Well, we're going back that way in a minute.
yeah. So that's your house then, Tim, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is your back garden.
Yeah, when I built that house, it cost £2,500 to build.
Yeah?
The last three-piece suite the wife bought cost more than the house
I'll
cost to
have
build.
it. Don't believe it. Absolutely amazing.
Lottie, help! 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 Come on! Lottie, help! Come on. Oh, there we go.
Go down there and see if we can get hold of any more guys. But nice to meet you, Tim, anyway.
Okay,
Thank you.
let's get on.
I'll see you again. Definitely.
Cost effectiveness against what we've got balance out. So out in these ponds we use their basic carp foods. As soon as anything's in a more controlled condition, anything that's liner ponds, indoor ponds, they're all fed like the better foods, the colour enhancing foods, the better quality stuff. Because obviously out here they're getting all the natural food. There's no point us giving them colour enhancer out here when they're getting it from the
They're
natural stuff.
getting it from the algae and everything else.
Yeah, as soon as they go into a research system or the shop or wherever else where they're just reliant on what we give them, then we'll use the colour enhancing foods and the better, slightly better. So it's still, it's not as good as the best foods on the market,
No,
but for cost effectiveness, and if you use the right food for the right temperature, for the right, what you want,
Yeah, definitely.
you struggle to beat it.
I'm not being funny, but feeding 10 ton a year, you need to keep those
Yeah,
costs
I mean,
down a bit, don't you?
just rattles through it. At the end of the day, obviously we're feeding these ponds, you're feeding the fish, but we'll have ducks and wildlife and
Yeah, they'll all
everything
take their
else.
own bit off.
And you'd be crying if you're feeding £10 a kilo and it's like
Yeah.
ducks start eating it. So yeah, it's all a balance in that. Obviously it's a business and you've got to get the best you can from it.
Yeah,
You just
definitely.
can't, as much as some of our fish do get better foods, they end up being sold for a lot more
A
money.
lot more money.
Yeah, definitely.
And you can't get it both ways. Right, we'll go a few more mud ponds and then we'll have a look at some of this year's youngsters a bit more close up.